4x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. We are going to find out the discriminant of each equation. Here is a 3 question we are trying to solve in this video. Number D. First, here is a 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. First, we have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. In this quadratic equation, a equals to 4, b equals to minus 4, c equals to 1. So in here, how many roots will come, we can understand by a discriminant. So we know delta equals to b square minus 4ac. So what does mean? B means minus 4 square minus 4 times a means 4 times c means 1, right? So minus 4 square is a 16, and minus 4 times 1 also 16, and we will get a 0. So once a discriminant equals to 0, it means we will get two equal real roots. How? So let's, here we can write 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. So here x will be, we know, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. So here minus b minus, and b equals to minus 4. So minus 4 plus minus a root over b square minus 4ac, we already get 0. So here is a 0. 2 times, what does mean a? A is a 4, right? So minus and minus, it will be plus. So here is a 4, and 2 times 4, it will be 8, right? So 4 divide 8, here is a 1. So it's a 2. Our answer is 1 by 2, right? So two equal repeated real roots. Discriminant equals to 0, it means, so in subnote we can write it means of delta equals to 0, two equal repeated, right? Repeated real roots. And what is the repeated roots? It's a 1 by 2. So our first question answer of this video, it means number D has done. Now we will start number C. D, E, it will be E, and this one is a F. Number E. First we have to compare with our quadratic equation, which is, we can write number E, it's a 2x square minus 7x plus 8 equals to 0. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a equals to 2, b equals to minus 7, c equals to 8, right? So discriminant root over equals to b square minus 4ac, because by this equation or by this expression we can understand the equation has how many roots. So here b means minus 7 square minus 4 times a means 2, c means 8. So minus 7 square is a 49, minus will be plus because square, and here 4 times 2, what? 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 8 is a 64. So it will be here 1, and here is a minus 15. Minus 15, that means the discriminant is less than 0. What is the result? It means no real roots. Okay, so if you want, you can find out or if you don't want, no need. But let's check what will be happening in here. Minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divide 2a. And look at this, minus b means minus 7, it means minus and minus 7, then plus minus square root b square minus 4ac, we have get what? Minus root minus 15, and here is a 2 times a means 2. So look, minus and minus plus and plus minus, this root over minus 15 is an imaginary number, and here is a 4. So here is a no real root. So number D, number E has done. Number F. Number F, here is a 3x square plus 10x minus 2 equals to 0. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So here, where a equals to 3, b equals to 10, and c equals to minus 2. So discriminant delta equals to b square minus 4ac. So b means for 10, it means 10 square minus 4 times a means 3 times c means minus 2. Okay, so 10 square, it means what? 100. Minus and minus, once we multiply, it will be plus. 4 times 3 is a 12. 12 times 2, it's a what? 24. So the result will be 124. 124, what does mean? Once the value or discriminant is greater than 0, it means it should be greater than 0, because the marks is 125. So we can say here will be 2 distinct real roots, right? So let's check. Our question is 3x square and then plus 10x and minus 2 equals to 0, right? So first, here is a x equals to, we know it's a minus b plus minus a root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. So let's say minus 4b minus b means 10, so it means minus 10. Then plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, we already get the value, which is 124, and divide 2a, 2 times a means 3. So what will be the result? Here is a minus 10, then plus minus, we can take common something, right? Here is a 124. So no need, actually no need. Here is a 124, we can write in here, and 2 times 3 is a 6. Now if the value we consider plus, if positive, so it will be x equals to minus 10, then plus 124 divide 6. So 10 minus 124 is a 112 divide 6, right? So it's a 4, right? Here is a 4. So what will be the value? Here is a 19. Next, if minus, it means negative. If negative, x equals to, here is a minus 10, then minus 124 divide 6. So here is a minus 134 divide 6. So what will be the result? Here is a possibility to divide 134 divide 6. So it's a 67 by 3. It means minus equals to minus 67 by 3. And here is a look, two value. One is a 19, another one is a minus 67 by 3. Because once discriminant is greater than 0, here will be two distinct real roots. By the way, finally we have completed number 1. Here is a total 6 question 1 to F we have completed. Next video will come very soon based on quadratic equation. Please subscribe my channel, which is MathZip. I hope you will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.